This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the Netflix app on your TV and choosing the profile whose subtitle settings you will change. Once done, use the remote to open the left side menu and go to Account or Settings. Netflix on TV often links to Account for caption controls. Make sure you have a phone or computer nearby in case Netflix redirects you to manage profile on the web. This is the only way to change subtitle size universally for that TV profile across devices. Now, log into Netflix on a browser using the same account. Navigate to Profile and Parental Controls for your chosen profile, then open Subtitle Appearance and click Edit. You will see controls for font size, font type, color, and background opacity. Increase the font size slider to your preferred level and adjust contrast so text stays legible on a TV screen. Once set, press Save. Netflix applies those appearance settings to all devices using that profile, which is why you change. Finally, return to your TV and restart the Netflix app so it fetches the updated profile settings. Play any title, enable subtitles from the Audio and Subtitles menu, and confirm the larger text appears. If the size didn't update, sign out of Netflix on the TV, clear the app cache or reboot the television, then sign back in to force a fresh sync. If problems persist, double-check you edited the correct profile on the web and resave subtitle appearance settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.